all died. Oh my gosh.
Under my skin, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. Hey, now you know you have to decide, and you gotta tell me what's on your mind. Wait a while.
I got food! That's good. Okay, this is my first time trying an egg tart. I had no idea. I have no idea what it's gonna taste like. Yes. So good! This is some sort of donut. What? That's good. How do you do this?
Scholastic Audio presents City of Ghosts by Victoria Schwab. Read by Reba Burr.
Through practicing, and we may become better at many things. Helps us to dream of loving others. And this is true.
You wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up. It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far.
Let's go grocery shopping! Yay! Let's go.
They turn
Alright, let me show you what I got at the grocery store. Well, I spent about $38 USD. It was 46,000 won? Yeah. So this is what I got. This is typically kind of what it looks like, with some additional things that I didn't need that I got anyways. So yeah, and this lasts me usually about a week. I got some fish cake, the cheap kind. I got, this is new. I think it's the mapo tofu, which I really like. Then we have peppers. Yes, and we have my favorite, one of my favorite veggies. So I got 2 of those. And then I needed more onions, so I get these every few weeks because I don't use too much of them. This is sugar, which I do not have at all, so I got some. I just like this stuff. It's dark chocolate. Okay, yeah. And then I got some mandu. I got some bubbly water because it's my favorite. And these little like 11-calorie little jelly drinks that I like. They're cute. And then I got some what's this called in English? Green onion, lots of garlic. This is a staple for me. I got some zucchini. This is just random. I don't know. It looked good. I think it's a chocolate bar. And then we got some persimmons. I think it's a persimmon. And some eggs. And that's what we got. What I have in my fridge already is some tomatoes, some tofu, and some, what are these called? Sweet potatoes, zucchini, samjang, rice cake, and some like leftover things. And I do have a banana uyu, so that's great. Yeah, and I also have lots of tanmuji, because that's my favorite. And then if we go down here, this is where I have like all this ramen and rice. So yeah, that's, yep, kind of what I've been eating. Yeah.
A mirror. A large mirror and gilt frame propped against the wall. Hair on my arm standing on end. Not easily smooth these days, but seeing it with that makes the mirror speak.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
That's really good. I actually made something that tastes really good. Wow. Kimchi찌개. It actually is as easy as people say it is. Yay. I have some rice too. The perfect addition to this fall-like day. Sunset! So pretty.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.